When a strong minerals increasing gradually inside the kidney to form crystals like stone, this is called a kidney stone. That is the deposition of calcium and oxalate which create kidney stone. But this stone never build up within a short time. When the kidney cannot clean your excess intake of calcium and sodium, then it builds kidney stone, which causes serious issue with patients. But today in this video I will discuss what mistake can causes kidney stone and how you can prevent to build kidney stone. So welcome to today's new episode. Causes of kidney stone. Possible causes include drinking too little water, too much intake of salt or sugar and sodium or potassium rich food. Too much intake of red meat can also lead to kidney disease. Obesity and inactivity is also responsible for kidney stone. Weight loss surgery. Infection and family history might be important in some people. How to prevent kidney stones naturally? First of all, if you eat any citrus fruit at least once in a month, it 90% decreases the possibility of kidney stone. There are a lot of citrus fruit like lemon, grapefruit and orange. These three citrus fruit are most powerful natural solution for kidney cleaning. Stay hydrated. Drinking more water is the best way to prevent kidney stones. Eat less animal protein. Avoid vitamin C supplements. Eat less salt, sugar, sodium and potassium rich food. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.